Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below in the comment section. I'll get to them as fast as I can. In today's video, we're going to be doing the monthly fire alarm testing for the month of February. So let's go ahead and get started. And for this month, we're going to start off with our commercial system. We are going to start off by testing this pool station by Firelight. And I actually did move this. We moved this whole thing. The wiring was a bit of a pain, but we moved it. So now it's not as much as in the way. But we're going to go ahead and do this. And it's been a minute since we've tested this one. So let's go ahead and test it for the first time in a while. All right. We are going to pull it in 3, 2, 1. All right, and it is sounding. That was a pretty big delay. Right. All right, there we go. We just reset the pool station. Let's go check out the horn strobe. It's pretty loud, but eventually you get used to it. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. It is pretty loud. All right, let's go ahead and reset the piano. All right, the panel has been reset. Let's go ahead and move on to our residential fire alarm. All right, we're going to start off by testing this smoke and seal detector. Try that again. There we go. Okay. Fire. Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide. All right. This is good to go. All right, now we're going to test one of our smoke and CO detectors. Go on. All right. All right. We've got another one that's good to go. All right, now we are going to test our second to last smoke detector. All right. Another one that's good to go. All right, now we're going to test our last smoke and CO detector. Let's... All right, there we go. Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide. All right. That one is good to go. All right, now we are going to test our last smoke detector of the video. Let's go ahead and get it done. Kept letting it ring. Very bright actual LED little lights in there, because I guess we just put these in classrooms now. So yeah. All right, everyone, that is going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more content like this. And don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, comments, feel free to drop one down below. I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. And again, if you enjoyed it, leave a like and subscribe. That's the best way to support me on my journey as I'm trying to build this YouTube channel. And we're doing such a great job. We're already halfway to 100 subscribers. Even though that might seem like little, that is a lot for me and a big accomplishment. And we'll be doing a special video at 100 subscribers. So subscribe and let's get there. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all of you on the next one. Peace!